Hey guys, Matt here again with Greensward. Spring here in Virginia Beach. Everything is blooming, looks great, feels great out here. But one thing that we're starting to see on some lawns is Poa Annua, or annual bluegrass. So this is a winter annual. So it starts its life cycle in September via seeds, which you can see here. And then it'll start to come out and then really maximize this time of year. And then what it's gonna do is when the heat hits here in Virginia Beach, it's gonna put these seeds in the ground and they'll lay dormant all through the summer and then they'll come back. It's identified by a little yellowish color as compared to the tall fescue. It typically has a shallow root system. It likes moistened areas either by low areas or increased irrigation. It has a boat-shaped tip as compared to tall fescue, but this is probably one of the biggest weeds. You just say, Matt, well, it's a grass. Yes, it is a grass, but it's also considered a weed because we don't want it in the fescue lawns. We don't want it on the warm season turf. It is technically a grass and probably a very tough competitor for both of those turfs. The folks at Virginia Tech are really doing some good research on getting rid of this, especially in bent grass putting surfaces. Some of that chemistry has not come to the landscape market yet, but keep an eye on this one. The best way to attack it is around Christmas time, when it's a little bit smaller. So anyways, Poa Annua, annual bluegrass, you'll probably see it. It's getting ready to die off here in Virginia Beach, but we'll probably see it back in September. Keep it green.